Open your photo in Adobe Photoshop and start by duplicating the background layer for safety. Go to Image, then Adjustments, and select Brightness and Contrast to improve lighting. Use levels or curves for better color balance and depth. Next, open the Camera Raw filter to enhance clarity, texture, and sharpness. Adjust saturation carefully to make colors vibrant without looking unnatural. Use the spot healing brush to remove blemishes or unwanted objects. Finally, crop the image for better composition and save your edited photo in high quality. Practice regularly to develop your own professional editing style.
Feel like I'm going over the falls. My mind spins faster and faster. My heart is bursting through the